The White House Custom Color video crew jumped on an airplane today, and we are standing in beautiful Culver City in Los Angeles outside of the Pod Photography. We've been working with Erika, owner of the studio, for about the last 6 weeks on a complete studio redesign, remodel for all of the products that she sells here. We're going to talk about her sales techniques, new products she's offering, wall groupings, all the things you want to learn. The point of this was to show off what you have done, what you can do for somebody who's maybe coming in for maternity. Oh my goodness, I want a newborn. I want to plan my first birthday. I want to do a family image. And then as my child gets older, I want you to stay our photographer for life.
Also, one of the reasons I wanted to put it in this exact spot was I thought in someone's real home, this is a place you would put a gallery wall, is behind your couch, in your living room. So I thought it was a very real place.
Yes.
And I think a lot of people will be able to envision it in their home.